Hi, my name is Faye. I made this video to share a little about myself. I'm 20 years old and I'm a sophomore at Finance Marketing University. My major is marketing, so in the future I want to be a marketer and I want to work for Unilever. It's a big dream, right? There are so many people all over the world want to work for Unilever, and I have so many competitors. Okay, I come from Cà Mau. It's a coastal province at the farthest end of Vietnam. Visiting Cà Mau, you will meet many friendly people and join in the peaceful living atmosphere there. Foods in Cà Mau are plentiful and included soup, steamed rice, shrimp and pork served with nước mắm. Cà Mau Beach City offers you a lot of specialties to buy as gifts like dry shrimp, dry monkfish, dry fish, dry ray, honey bee from Umi Forest. Yeah, there's so many delicious foods in Cà Mau. So if you have free time, you should go there and enjoy many delicious foods. My hobbies are playing football, volleyball, going swimming, volunteering, watching movies, especially cartoons. I also like reading Japan comic books. The more things that I love to do is travel. I want to be a backpacker and I want to travel all over Vietnam and over the world. It's very interesting, right? And other than that, I love sleeping. Okay, finally, I want to give you a message that I sympathize fully. That is, stop dreaming, start living. This message is from The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. This movie is very great. You should watch it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.